Hi there, Micah here with Barber and Haskill. Today we want to do a quick video to show you our new mattress in a box and basically show you how it comes and how you get it out. So here we have a 10-inch queen size that we're putting on the floor. So basically this is exactly the box that they all come in. We have them in different sizes from twin to full to queen in different depths. So here we are, we open the box and basically we slide it out. Now in the box there will be a cutter to open the bag. Ta-da! Very simple, and they make it really easy so that you don't cut the mattress. So you see on the bag, they leave a lot of extra space so that you don't have to actually cut the mattress. And you can kind of hear some of the air coming out of it already. Basically, you take it out of the bag and let it raise for a few minutes, and there you go. Your bed in a box is in store. You pick it up, take it home, and go to sleep. Come in and see us anytime.